everyone, in this video I will show you how to share Twitter posts on Facebook. So first you just have to simply open your Twitter application and make sure that you are using the latest version of this Twitter application here. So what you're going to do is you just have to simply look for a post or import an image or video from your gallery and then post this first to your Twitter account. So to post, you just have to click this plus icon right here. And then you can now go live, spaces, photos, or simply post something, words or faces. But this time I want to post an image from a gallery. So tap this album icon right here and then select a picture from your gallery. Let's just say this one, add a caption, and then after that, click post. Now, once you have posted this to your Twitter, then if you go to your profile, you will see there the Facebook option. So you have posted the picture. What you're going to do now is you have to go to your profile. So to go to your profile, you just have to click your picture icon at the top left corner, click profile, and here is the picture that you have recently posted. So you have to click this Facebook icon below. Now it will give you some options like copy link or send this to a direct message. But this time you want to post this, so tap this newsfeed, tap this one. Feel free to change the caption or the privacy. Everything is up to you. If you set this to only me, public or friends, add caption, add emojis, everything is up to you. And then once you're done, all you have to do is to click this post right here. And basically that's it. You have to make sure also that your Facebook is logged in to this device so that it would be easier for you to do this tutorial. So as you can see, it is now posted on your Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.